Hello and welcome back to TasteOfGyan. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Ledger Nano X, a secure place to store your crypto. This is the box that the Ledger Nano X comes in. As you can see, the Ledger Nano X is kind of small, and it connects to your phone or laptop through Bluetooth. If you have the Ledger Live app installed, you can access it. Not remotely, but when it's in close range, and you can see all your crypto assets and all your data stored securely. Sliding the box out of the sleeve. I'll give you a freeze frame right here. Pause the video if you want to read. Opening up the box, we can see the small form factor of the Ledger Nano X, which allows you to put it on a keychain or put it in your pocket and walk around, making sure that it's secure and on you at all times. As you can see, there's two buttons, one on the swivel joint and the other on the inside. This will help you control the main menu and go through all the functions and features of the. This is the USB-C to USB-A cable. This will be used for charging and for data transfers. This is some of the disclaimers, some recovery sheets for you so that you can write down a phrase. This is the keychain I was talking about. This will loop into a tiny hole on the ledger, and you can put it onto like a keychain. If you want, you can put it on a necklace, just somewhere secure. You get two recovery sheets, some disclaimers, and a sticker. Here's another look at all the accessories and what comes in the box. Starting up Ledger Live, you don't have to do this, but it does aid in setup. As you can see, it says download Ledger Live on the tiny Ledger Nano screen. I just went and showed you using a red circle of what you have to click, or what I clicked for starting up a new ledger. As you can see, it says hold buttons to go to the control center. You press with the right one for your right and left one for left. You press both of them to enter or to select. Here you choose a PIN, 4 to 8 digits. I'm gonna really quickly do mine off camera. It'll be obviously censored. But you just go through, you select all the numbers, and then you click select with both the buttons, and you go through individually, doing each and every one of your PIN. At this point, the ledger will prompt you to set up a recovery phase. It'll give you a series of words, and you're going to write them down in a secure place. This will be like your last resort. If you lose this, you can't access any of your assets, nothing. It's all going to be gone. So you really want to keep this in a secure place. Write it down, put it in a safe, put it on anything, basically. Just make sure it's safe and you don't share it to anybody. Otherwise, you'll lose all your crypto assets and it's all gone. They can't recover it for you. As you see, at this point, the ledger has been set up. It's very easy. It only took like actually 3 minutes in this case, and you can see the ledger live is going through a little bit of a game to to help you know what's what. And at this point, Ledger makes you do a genuine check. So in case if you bought it off a third-party dealer, or if you bought it directly from Ledger, nobody's tampered with it, and nobody's like put some software on it that's malicious and could steal your data or your crypto assets in this case. So you quickly just want to allow Ledger Manager, and as you can see on the app, it just takes a couple seconds to register, and then it'll quickly process, and boom, it's verified, it's genuine. Congratulations, you've set up your Ledger Nano.